Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to export trade history in Binance. Let's begin. You can also do this in Binance app installed in your smartphones, or you can do this in Binance.com in your computers. So most of the time, we want to make sure that we can check our previous transactions. There's actually a way for us to check transaction history or trade history in Binance. In my case, let's go ahead and check. So you know how to do this on your end. So let me just go to my wallet. I'll go to Fiat and Spot. It will lead us to this page. So most of the time, this is where you store all your cryptocurrency and coins from other trading. And there's tons of way for you to access your transaction history. So you can either check here, you can also have it here. Sometimes there's like a button here that would pop up for you. It would give you a notification of the most recent transactions made. In this case, let's go here because I want to generate and export, a file of all my transaction or trade history. So it will lead us to this page. So as you could see, all of my transactions made for this wallet are published here. And say, for example, I want a hard copy for this one. What you would do is go to upper right page, upper corner of the page, and then just generate all statements. It's up to you if you want to, have it past 7 days, past 30 days, 90 days, or you want to have it customized. So in my case, probably just choose 7 days. Say, for example, I just, defaulted it to all of my account and then generate. So if I will generate, so earlier guys, just for tutorial purposes, I've already generated mine. So it says here that expected to be completed after 3 hours. But I also have one right here that I've already completed. So you just download that and then you would be able to see all your trade history in this file. All right, I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like.